Hello everyone, I am the Traveling Sports Nerd, and today I am going to a Lake County Captains baseball game. This is actually my second time seeing this team play this week. I went to my first Great Lakes Loons game about 5 days ago up in Midland, Michigan, and the Captains were the visiting team there. Now I'm seeing them play on their home field, and I'm really looking forward to it. This is the High A affiliate of the Cleveland Guardians, and they are located in suburban Cleveland. So it's only a few hour drive for me, about to make the trip down right now. Looks like there are fireworks tonight, so this will be the first time fireworks appear on this vlog. I'm looking forward to sharing that with all of you. And yeah, without further ado, I'm going to hit the road. I will catch up with you in a little bit.
He's a coach for a softball team, and he was trying to find like a whole set for they don't have any team of who to share. So you're having guys so she
Who's going home a winner of a prize pack? It's pretty tight right now. Oh, okay. Girls are up. Oh yeah! Do the Horatio dance! Horatio!
half of it's going to be just commercial storage.
Hello everyone, I am just back to the car. Our final score is the Captains 3 and the Sky Carp 1. The Lake County Captains get the job done tonight. They get the victory. It's an adorable ballpark. If you've ever been to a West Michigan Whitecaps game, the design of the ballpark kind of reminds me of that, how obviously one tier and the design of the suites and like the actual shell of the ballpark is kind of angled towards home plate from behind and then juts out on each side, and that's it. There were a bunch of little things that I enjoyed. Love that they have mini golf. I'm a mini golf connoisseur. I love mini golf. So I didn't actually play tonight, but they had a little mini golf area out in left field, and I thought that was sweet. Also a play area right next to the mini golf. If you got kids coming to the ballpark, there were kids playing there tonight, so you got that. There was also this Miracle Field, I believe it was called, like also out in left field. Almost looked like a little wiffle ball park, kind of. I'm not 100% sure what it was for, but I think it was like wiffle ball. That was really sweet. It was just outside of the stadium parameters, but you could see it right from the stadium. Fireworks were great. If you're sitting there thinking, oh, I thought fireworks were only a major league thing. No. They got the fireworks here at the minor league level too, and they're just as good as the major league ones as far as I'm concerned. It felt like I was at Disney for a night. It was very lovely. The fireworks were a great show. Great bonus to an already fun night. A nice high A ballpark. If you're in the Cleveland area, I'm sure you'd enjoy going to a game here. A lot of Cleveland Guardians gear. Lots and lots of Cleveland gear. And that's to be expected, right? This team is the high A affiliate of the Cleveland Guardians. And we're only about a 20-minute drive from Progressive Field in downtown Cleveland. I drove by the Cleveland ballpark on the way into town tonight, and it's just so close. So not surprised at all that there were a lot of Cleveland baseball fans here as well. And how neat, right? That this is kind of the bottom rung. I mean, you have single A below high A as well, but you're in the lower rungs here. You're in the lowest rung that you can see your team nearby, let's say. And if you're a Cleveland fan, you know, you kind of got all the minor league stuff really close by. You've got the Captains here in East Lake, only 20 minutes or so away from Progressive Field. Then you have the Akron Rubber Ducks, who are double A. That's, I want to say, an hour or so from Cleveland. And then you've got the Columbus Clippers in Triple A, which I'm heading to tomorrow night. That's, I want to say 2 hours, maybe 2.5 hours away from Cleveland. So all of the minor league teams in the Cleveland organization are very close by. And that's really cool for Cleveland baseball fans of baseball in Ohio. That must be really nice, you know. I'm going to go hit the hay. And thank you for having me, East Lake, and thank you for having me, Lake County. Classic Park. I don't think I said the name of the place in the video. Classic Park. That's not just a regular old name. The full name is Classic Auto Group Park, I believe. So it is a sponsorship, but yeah, Classic Park. Classic ballpark experience. Very nice. All right. I am the Traveling Sports Nerd, and I will see you next time.